AZ High Temperature Data Logger. Is there any data logger can stand for 134 degrees Celsius steam temperature to help my autoclave validation work? I need to simplify my pasteurization auditing. Is software-free temperature data logger available? I am not an IT expert. Is there any data logger can generate statistic report automatically? AZ88170 High Temperature Data Logger can fulfill all your needs. AZ88170 Temperature Data Logger can do measuring, recording, and reporting all at once for most harsh and challenging conditions. Prominent PT1000 probe can instantly respond to temperature changes up to 140 degrees Celsius with minus plus 0.5 degrees Celsius accuracy at full range. IP68 food-grade stainless steel housing to stand for high-temperature steam in many minutes. 90mm compact length, suitable for most canned food validation. Plug and play on Windows computer. Software is not required. Recorded data will be analyzed automatically and be saved as PDF or CSV files into computer. Simple 3 steps to operate. Connect to program and start. Wait for cool down after logging. Connect again to generate report. The generated PDF report offers you logger profile, statistical data, diagram and detail record. Whether the core temperature has stayed within the prescribed range for a sufficient duration can also be known. Perfect tool for food processing, laboratory study, pasteurization, and autoclave validation. We also have data logger for ultra-low temperature lyophilization validation.